Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out a compact but feature-packed flyer, the V2 Mini Drone with 8K camera designed for beginners, kids, and anyone who wants fun aerial shots without carrying a big drone. Right away, what makes the V2 Mini Drone impressive is its 8K professional camera with a wide-angle lens. The camera can tilt up to 180 degrees, letting you capture unique angles from above, in front, or straight down. With smooth HD video output and a 30 frames per second frame rate, your footage looks clean and stable for a drone in this class. The drone uses Wi-Fi FPV, so you can see real-time video directly on your phone while flying. This makes it perfect for learning aerial photography and enjoying a true first-person flying experience. When it comes to flight stability, the V2 Mini Drone performs surprisingly well. Thanks to optical flow hover and height hold technology, the drone can maintain a steady position in the air, making it much easier to control, especially for beginners. There's also obstacle avoidance, helping reduce crashes during indoor or low-altitude flights. Powering the drone is a 3.7-volt, 1800 milliamp modular lithium battery, giving you around 12 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Charging takes about 60 minutes, so you're quickly back in the air. The modular battery design also makes it easy to swap batteries when you want longer flying sessions. Control range goes up to 200 meters, giving you plenty of space to explore. The drone supports speed adjustment, flight fine-tuning, and headless mode, so orientation is never confusing. Fun features are a big highlight here. With one-key takeoff and landing, flying is simple. You also get 360-degree flips, trajectory flight, gesture-style control, and even 50x lossless zoom for creative shots. These features make the V2 Mini Drone both entertaining and educational, especially for younger pilots. The foldable quadcopter design makes it easy to store and carry, whether you're flying indoors, in the backyard, or on a trip. Despite its small size, it feels responsive and agile in the air. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the drone, remote controller, spare propellers, battery, charging cable, screwdriver, and a clear instruction manual. So, if you're looking for an affordable mini drone with 8K camera, stable flight, and plenty of fun features, the V2 Mini Drone is a solid choice for beginners and casual flyers. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest and helpful reviews right here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!